Hi, Judy from Which Piece Craft. Well, this is not about any knitting, yarn, crochet, anything to do with our yarny craft. This is about the good old Australian Tim Tam. I've been in a couple of live chats, 2 weeks running in Stephanie Crochet O'Clock. One of the main subject is the Australian Tim Tam, how much better it tastes to the ones they get in the USA. And in Heidi's Hangout, the gang were talking about Australian Tim Tams and how they'd love to try them and they haven't had them. Some people didn't know what they are. So what's an Australian Tim Tam? Well, basically, it's a chocolate biscuit. I'll show you one. It's like biscuit, chocolate, or cookie, if that's what you call it in the States. Now, the subject came up of the Tim Tam Slam. So I'm going to demonstrate what the Tim Tam Slam is. You'll have to forgive me. I haven't done it for years. And this is not something you do in public. Trust me, because it can get very messy. And once seen, it's never unseen. So how do you do a Tim Tam Slam? Well, before I start, there may be a pause in this video or a second video with a surprise at the end. So don't stop when you see this. Watch it to the end because I do have a surprise at the end. So this is a biscuit I prepared earlier. You bite off one corner and a diagonal corner. This is my coffee cup. You can do it with coffee, tea. I don't know if anyone's ever done it with wine or beer, but it's suggested with coffee because it's really nice. So here goes, guys. Trust me, if you don't like a mess, look away now. You get your biscuit, you put it in your coffee, you suck your coffee through until your biscuit goes soft. So there you have it. That was a Tim Tam Slam. I was pretty quick because you can get very messy and I didn't want to be on camera too long. But basically, suck your coffee through a straw of Tim Tam and slam the soft, mushy Tim Tam in your mouth. Definitely not something you do in public. So what is my surprise? Well, the wrench gang in Heidi's Hangout inspired me to do a Tim Tam giveaway. So first up in my little giveaway is some individually wrapped Tim Tams, the original flavour. For on the road, got to have Tim Tams on the road. Stephanie in Crochet O'Clock loves caramel. You guys pronounce it differently to us, but that's chewy caramel. If I had a favourite in Tim Tams, it'd have to be these. I used to love these, but you do get sick of them. And they've now introduced Tim Tam Slams. These are dark chocolate with sticky raspberry flavoured. And they come pre-designed with the ends off, I think. I haven't opened them before, but that's what it looks like. There are so many flavours in Tim Tams. Double chocolate. They had a huge range. I'll put a photo up of the local supermarket where I went to get them. Now, the trick of it is to enter. You must subscribe to my channel. You must be a subscriber. You need to leave a comment below this video on whether or not, and the question isn't what you're going to think it is, have you tried Vegemite? Yes or no? Because included in my little Tim Tam package will be some Vegemite samples for you to try. And if you have tried it, then you should spring it on a friend and get them to try it. It is an acquired taste. So, yes or no to whether you've tried Vegemite? That's the question. Nothing to do with Tim Tams. It's going to be a quick little giveaway. It was sort of inspired from the wrench gang in Heidi's Hangout, and I'd love to send everybody Tim Tams that would like them, but the freight is so expensive, it's really not worth it. And I can't just pick one. I'd feel guilty about the others. So this is my idea of letting someone win some Tim Tams. So today is Tuesday the 3rd of July in Australia, and I'm going to close the entries at midnight on the 6th of July here in Australia, and I'll draw it on Sunday the 7th and then do a little video announcing the winner of the Tim Tam Care Package. There you have it. It's been a lot of fun. I love the live chats. They're always fun, especially in Heidi's Hangout. Sometimes we laugh so much we don't get much talking done. If you haven't checked out Heidi's Hangout, Heidi's the cat, Penny's the mother. She manages the channel for Heidi the cat. You should check her out and subscribe, because trust me, you'll really enjoy her lives. I love them. I enjoy Stephanie at Crochet O'Clock, but I can't always catch her because of the time. She does the most beautiful work. I wish I could crochet as well as she does. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. It's not crafty, but hey, let's have a bit of fun. And you could try the Tim Tam Slam. Until next time, have a crafty day.